Hi there. Do you have trouble pronouncing the TH sound in English? Well, I'm here in the bathroom to help you. So put your tongue right under your top teeth and blow out. So bathroom, bathroom. And in the bathroom, we have a bathtub. And when you want to brush your teeth, see it ends in TH too, teeth, you need a toothbrush, a toothbrush. And if you've got a toothbrush, you need, toothpaste, toothpaste. So there you have it, the TH sound. Remember, put your tongue right under your top teeth and blow. Bathroom, toothbrush, toothpaste, bathtub.